Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. From a fainting to a slip, and a kicking from the hip. Everybody was get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure, and whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of your guns at once and explode into space. I like smoking lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind, and the feeling that I'm under. Yeah, darling, go make it happen.
Aru elab loomaaias, katsakas ja muidu maias ja nii kõmmib ta aina uppa, 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 uppa. Metsas karu pole näha, metsas on tal külm ja paha ja nii mütab ta aina, mütta, 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 mütta.
Loomaaeda tahan ma karu paisu tuduma.
Roeke siis ööks seal kommipäeval öö.
Tule sa, nüüd loomaaeda ühes minuga.